God bless, brothers and sisters. Let's get into the verse for the video. And today it comes from the book of Galatians, chapter 2, verse 20. And it reads, I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me. And the life I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. Alright, today we'll be unboxing the Chesty, which I purchased for the GoPro 10. And right away I noticed that on the Chesty, it's got the protective housing on there. So I'm pretty sure if you're going to be doing any extreme activities, I would highly recommend the protective housing. And I got another unboxing video for that if you want to check into that. But here we're just going to be doing the unboxing for the Chesty. And right away, right here on the bottom corner, it shows that it has a lifetime warranty. So I've heard of other Chesties that are like $5, $10. This one I believe is $49.99, but with the GoPro subscription it comes out to $28. And I got this and the protective housing together for about a $57 deal if I'm not mistaken, after taxes and everything, and that's because of the fact that I had the GoPro subscription. So not a bad deal. And with that being said, if you spend under $50, you do have to pay $15 for 2 to 3 day shipping. So if you're going to get something online and you already have a subscription, might as well make the best of it and maybe stack on a couple products to get over the $50 deal. So let's get into this. In the back of this, right away, it shows a guy mountain biking and another guy skiing. So just some recommendations if you're going to be doing some extreme activities and you want a good point of view, the Chesty is a good thing to have. And this package includes the performance chest mount, the vertical mounting buckle, and the thumb screw. So let's get into this. All right. Okay. Right, so we got our thumb screw right here, got a mount, and we got our Chesty. That's everything that's inside of the package. So let's open this up and see what it looks like, right? Ooh, so right away you can tell this thing is well made. The stitching looks very nice. The elasticity on this feels very good. So right away, it feels very good. So obviously we would have to put the mount up here, holding like that. We'd put our camera on and just put the thumb screw in. So this is just an unboxing video. I wouldn't like to make a review on it without knowing too much about the product. So I'll take it out for a while, see what I feel like, and I'll just make another review on that. And always remember that I purchase these things with my own money. I'm not sponsored by anybody. But even if I was sponsored, I'll always make an honest review. So yeah, I want to put some time and some use into this, and yeah, we'll just see what it looks like. But as far as in quality and feel, the padding feels nice. Nothing too crazy, and it's very, very light. And as far as in quality, man, it looks very good. Doesn't look like something that's going to get loose over time and eventually tear. And that being said, just a reminder, you get that lifetime warranty through GoPro, so they're standing by their products, and by the looks of it, it's something I would stand by also. So just look out for that and look out for the review video. Thank you for your time, brothers and sisters. God bless.